There's this big concern about AI, right? Artificial intelligence is going to come along and cause all kinds of problems. Maybe it'll just wipe everyone out, or maybe even if it's trying to help us, it's just going to get it wrong because it doesn't understand what a human being is. Like if you tell an AI to make everyone happy, and it thinks, okay, happy people smile. So let's strap everyone down into chairs, steeple their face into a smile, and then everyone is happy, right? But it doesn't understand that happy people smile. But if you put a smile on someone, it doesn't make them happy. Now, it's very obvious for a human being, but if you're not a human being, you might completely miss this detail, right? So there's all this concern that an AI could work very efficiently, do a great job, but just not quite get the values right, right? What if I told you that we already have a massive system worldwide that's already doing this? Think about it for a second, think about it. It's the financial system, right? So, I'm not going to go into all the details about capitalism versus socialism and blah blah blah. But let's just look at a basic capitalist idea is that a person does good things in the world, and then they get money for doing that, and the money represents the value they've added to the world, and they can then use that money to interact and exchange with other people who are bringing value into the world, right? So theoretically, you do good things, you make profit. So a lot of people end up thinking that if you're making profit, that must mean you're doing good things. But that is not the case. And why is this such a big problem? Well, let's look at the medical industry, for example. If we take the presumption that profits are what you're looking for, which is how we're doing it. Like that's how we're looking at it. We're looking at everything, at least, I mean, not me, but just the general world, the general accepted common idea is that profits are what we're going for. So let's look at the medical industry. If we're maximizing for profits, does that mean the medical industry is going to do good things or bad things? Well, what's more profitable, curing someone or treating them? Well, if you cure someone, that's great. Morally speaking, that means the hospital or the doctor or whatever is doing a great job, right? But it's not the most profitable thing. It's much more profitable to treat that person, but keep them sick. Because if you cure them, you just lost a customer. But if you treat them and keep them sick, just treat their symptoms, but don't actually fix the actual problem, maybe even make the problem worse, then they have to keep coming back for more treatments. Now you've got a subscription. Now you're raking in the money, right? Huge profits. So you end up with a medical industry that maximizes for sickness, not for health. It ends up being most profitable to keep people as sick as they can be and still be able to pay their medical bills. But then you start getting a socialist healthcare system, which means that everyone can always pay. So now you don't even have to keep people in a condition where they can keep working and making money and be able to pay. You just have to keep them alive. So you end up maximizing for the highest level of sickness in your people without killing them. Because as long as they're still alive, you're going to be collecting profits from this socialized healthcare system, right? So based on profits, the medical system maximizes for sickness. Let's look at manufacturing. Is it more profitable to make a product that's amazing and lasts a long time, or a product that doesn't really work that well and breaks? Well, if you make an amazing product that works really well and lasts a long time, well, everyone will buy those like crazy at first, right? But then everyone has them, so they don't have to keep coming back. And then you're just relying on new customers or people who've lost theirs or broken it and they have to come back. So you lose a lot of customers. You've done a great job, morally speaking, because you're taking care of people and people are happy and they have the thing and it works and it's great, but you're not making profits. So you make a product that's kind of crappy and is going to break soon, but it's still just good enough that people can still use it enough that they'll come and buy it. So someone comes in and buys the thing, it doesn't really work that well. Oh, but if I buy this accessory and this accessory, well, then it kind of works okay. And then it breaks pretty soon and you got to go buy another one. So you're buying all this stuff over and over and all these accessories and buying and more stuff. And the people manufacturing are making tons of money, right? But you're buying stuff over and over, and it's frustrating that you have to keep replacing this stuff, and that it doesn't even work that well. And all the stuff you have to keep buying ends up in the garbage. So, in the manufacturing industry, profits maximize for garbage and frustration. Great. Well, let's look at the food industry. Do you make more money selling healthy food or food that looks good? Well, you make more money selling food that looks good, and you sell more of it. How can you maximize the amount of food you're growing if you don't have to worry about the nutrition, and you just want it to look good and you want there to be a lot of it? Well, you dump poison all over it so bugs don't touch it. And it doesn't rot. And it makes it much easier to transport the food and deal with the food in general. It's just covered in poison, right? But you can only cover it in poison enough that the people aren't dying. So you can maximize for poison up to a certain point that will legally be allowed, right? So we have this financial system that maximizes for sickness, poison, frustration, and garbage. And I could go into all kinds of other things, but I think you get the point. And, that's the kind of thing we're worried about AI starting to do. And why is this camera fogging up? Anyway, I'm almost done. So what's the solution to all of this? It's morality. People have to start making decisions based on morals. And if people aren't doing that, then the financial system's going to continue to be broken. If we don't teach AI some kind of basic morality to make in every individual decision, it's even if it tries to help us, it's not going to do it right. And to really fix all this stuff, we have to normalize people having morals that they integrate totally into themselves, so that every decision they make is based around those morals. Because it's much more profitable to go around lying and cheating and stealing, right? As long as you can get away with it. But you end up leaving a trail of misery behind you. And if you have people who consistently make moral judgments and make decisions based on morals, telling the truth, being fair, all this stuff, you end up with everyone just being much better off. And you look at our society right now, and it's ridiculous how unhappy people are, how frustrated, and how difficult it is to live, even with the technology we have today. With all the technology we have today, life should be super easy, but it's not, because we've given up morals. We're not trying to do good in the world anymore. We're just trying to make profits.